Here we go, Duchess.
All hazards radio public warning alarm system.
Here we go, Duchess. First, pulse voice we require weekly test.
Automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers to be turned on automatically, alerting you to the impending emergency broadcast. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return to our regular programming.
What?
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.